Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix destination path too long error in all Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes. Click HKey local machine. Click System. Click Current Control Set. Click Control. Click File System. Double-click Long Paths enabled. Change value data to 1. Close registry and exit. Restart system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.